How to log in the Scotiabank credit card online account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Scotia login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, Scotiabank, sign in, open it. With that, you will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your account. So go ahead and type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to remember your username, you can check in for this option. Then you can click on the option of sign in, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Likewise, in the case you are having issues logging in, click on this option, need help signing in. With that, your problem will be resolved. Once logged in, you can head towards the credit card section, and with that, you'll be good to go. So this way, you can easily log into Scotiabank credit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.